Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will prepare a very simple but tasty vegetable dish using okra, also called lady finger or bhende. We will also add kokum and grated coconut to enhance the taste. Our recipe for today is okra with kokum, also called Solantule Bhende. Step 1. Preparing the okra or bhende. Take around 250 grams of okra, bhende or ladyfinger. The secret to preparing tender okra is to wash the okra and pat each one of them completely dry before cutting them. You can check if the okra is tender by breaking the tail end with your finger. If it breaks easily with a nice clicking sound, you know your okra is nice and tender. Cut and discard the edges on both the sides of the okra. Then cut the okra into medium-sized pieces in an angle like I have shown, or you can cut it in the shape you prefer. Make sure your hands, chopping board and the knife are dry when you cut the okra. This will ensure that the okra does not get slimy or sticky after cooking. The cut okra pieces are ready. Step 2. Preparing the other ingredients. Take one medium-sized onion. Cut the edges and then cut it into two halves. Remove the skin, then wash and wipe the onion clean. Cut it into medium-sized slices like I have shown. Take 5 medium-sized garlic cloves. Cut them very fine like I have shown. Take one medium-sized finely cut tomato. Take 2 green chilies which are cut and slit into medium-sized pieces. Take around 6 to 7 kokum or sola. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of mustard seeds. 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Step 3. Preparing the okra with kokum or Solantule Bhende. Place an open, thick bottom pan on medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add the cut pieces of garlic and stir. After a minute, add the sliced onion and stir. Stir nicely to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the cut tomato and stir everything properly. Then add the slit green chilies and stir. After a minute or so, add the kokum and stir everything properly. Add a little water to mix everything nicely and to help the kokum release its juices. After 2 minutes, add the turmeric or haldi powder. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir everything properly. Then add the okra pieces and stir. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir nicely to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Add around quarter cup or 60 ml of water and mix well.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Cover and cook until the okra is fully cooked, which usually takes around 10 to 12 minutes. Check frequently to avoid sticking or burning. If required, add very little water. Check for salt and add if required. Once it is cooked, you can serve it as it is, or you can garnish with 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Delicious Goan style okra with kokum or Solantule Bhende is ready. Serve it hot with bread, chapati, roti or rice and curry. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. Do let us know if you like this video and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.